Not a mother. Starbucks Uriah. Ano yan? Paita na, Jason. So, dyan kami galing.
Madam, dyan madabigay yung sesa 280 na lang. Kilo. Bago yan, ma'am. Pwede yung tikman.
You're in my vlog. Hi guys, we're here at the airport right now. So I'm with Rick and my friend Jessie. So we're gonna travel. Come with me and stay with me in my video for today, and we'll show you. So we're going with Philippine Airlines, and yeah, so we are in gate 9 here at Jasmine International Airport. We're ready to board. It's early morning. I'll show you around here. So this is the departure area. Ayan, walking down the aisle na tayo. So, yeah. Siyempre masaya kahit maulan. So, dito tayo ngayon going to the plane na. Ayan, so you can see all the cargoes there from outside. Ayan, kinakarga na nila para makaalis na tayo. Hindi lang makita yung Mayon Volcano kasi natatakpan siya ng ano nga yun? Cloud. Ano ba yun? Yan, so kita pa rin naman kahit paano. Ayan, so let's go guys. At yan, ito yung Bicol International Airport. Ayan, makikita natin yung kanyang name. Medyo pila, kaya tingin-tingin muna tayo habang nag-aantay tayo pumasok sa loob. Dito na tayo sa loob. Ang ganda nga kasi nasa medyo unahan pa kami, kaya magandang position namin. Well, at syempre, may pa-selfie tayo kasi for souvenir at dito na rin sa vlog ko. Ayan, with aking friendship Jessie. Lumapag na nga kami. We are here in waiting for our luggage here in the carousel number 2. Ayan. So, ayan, medyo maaga pa. And at last, weather here in Manila looks like it's good and sunny day. Very good. Okay, so now it's starting. Luggage is here. Guys, we're here in Manila. Yeah, we're just carrying our luggage and my hands. Yes. Wala pang sleep yarn. Daan muna tayo dito sa condo for sale sa May Naiya 3.
The plastic.
Oh yeah, it's new. Oh. This is Get in, sir. Go ahead, sir. Come in. So this is Jess's condo. Ano lang kayo ng tatawid lang kayo ng bridge. And then, nandito na kayo sa Newport. So, itong condo na to, it could be for sale if you want to purchase it. Okay? Just inquire here. And I will tell you the price. And actually, napakaganda nito kasi there is a pool. Ayan, accessible to everything. So, Rick is looking everything inside this condo unit. Yeah, after condo, dito na tayo sa Tagaytay. So, ito nga yung aming first stop, yung fruit market. Dito lang ako nakakita ng talagang, wow, ang gaganda ng pagka-arrange ng mga fruits. Ayan. But compared to price, medyo pricey siya dito compared dito sa probinsya ng Sorsogon. The only thing is, you can be attracted to buy because how they arrange the fruits. And it looks all very fresh. Kasi natakam na fruits. We're thinking now to get the fruits. But apparently, okay, let's pass on that. We just come here to see how this fruits well arranged. Ayan, napakasasarap. Tingnan talaga naman. Ang lakas nga ng ulan, kaya hindi kami makapag-ikot dito gaano. Kaya makikita nyo naman. So, dito na lang kami sa may ayan. Oh, tignan nyo naman. It's so wet the road. At naiihi pa kami dito. Wala kaming maihian. Kaya we decided na nga lang to go to Diner's Original Bulalo. Gusto namin matikman ang bulalo dito. Guys, so dito tayo ngayon sa Diner's Restaurant here in Tagaytay. So it's my first time here and we want to taste the bulalo here. I think this is bulalo is their specialty. So come with me, stay with me my whole video and I'll show you about this Diner's Restaurant. Alright. So, actually, dito yung entrance nila. At dyan. Okay. So, their counter is there. Okay. Simple and beautiful. And there you go. Yan. Maganda naman yung place nila. Okay. So, it's raining this time. So, hindi natin nakikita yung view. Ay, hindi siya. O, kaya ayan, diba? Maulan. Hindi makita agad. Ayan, Diners Original Bulalo since 1984. So, ito, they have for breakfast, top silog to, silog long silog, bang silog. For vegetable, they have chop suey, fresh lumpia, pakbet, ginataang langka, talong, mangga. And soups and sides, they have rice, yan, rice, sinigang baboy, yan, maliputok, garlic rice, plain rice. And also for the seafoods, bangus, tawilis, ayan, you can see here, tilapia, dessert, they have banana conielo, leche flan. Yeah, then this is the one that we want to try, original bulalo. The kare-kare, the lumpia Shanghai. Oh, eto na nga guys, yung inaantay namin special bulalo. Tingnan nyo naman, grabe. I tell you guys, grabe yung sabaw niya, as in nanam talaga yung beef na beef. Naiiba yung bulalo dito. Probably they have a secret ingredients. Ano kaya yun? So, pinagkasya namin itong isang serving. Let's see yan. At, take mo tama the price. Ayan, naubos. No more. Ayan, medyo tumilo yung ulan, but it's so foggy talaga guys. Ito yung dito sa terrace ng Diners Bulalo. Ayan, makikita nyo naman ganda ng tanawin yan. Kaya nag-selfie na lang nga ako dito. Ayan, si Rikaya naman lumabas. Then let's go to our next destination. Ito ngang Hiraya Starbucks ang pinagkakaguluhan. So let's see. Madulas nga ang daan, kaya ayan, dobleng ingat kami sa paglalakad. Medyo hinay-hinay lang at itong isa walang imik. So dyan kami galing guys. O yan yung diners. Ayan, lakarin naman natin. Yung kabila nito is yung Hiraya Starbucks. Starbucks Hiraya. Okay, let's find out. Alright, I'm your lover.
Not my mother.
Yes, I'm your lover. Not a mother. Right. Okay, guys, dito tayo sa Starbucks Hiraya in Tagaytay. Okay, so we're gonna witness about the one that they're saying here about the line. How long is it? How many hours it takes time before you can order a cup of coffee that you really like. So anyway, the entrance is here and we're walking towards that building just to check about this Starbucks. It's my first time here and I'm with my friends and Rick. So we're going to Cavite at this time and we pass here in Tagaytay to eat the bulalo, of course, and to come here to Starbucks Hiraya. Alright, let's see what's in this one. Let's go, keep going. Yan, nandito na tayo. Malayo pa nga. Nakikita mo na talaga super dami ng tao. The line is too long or the queue is too long. Yan. So, ayan, sa labas pa lang yan yung pila. As in, super haba talaga. Kahit pumunta kayo dito. I don't know if this happens every day. Yeah, that's my friendship. And this is Ian. Ayan. Yan, thank you so much, Ian, for driving us here to Tagaytay. Alright guys, ayan. So, galing tayo dun sa Starbucks. Now, it's just amazing how people go on the line. So after Hiraya, dito na nga kami dumiretso sa Tagaytay Ranch. So actually, itong Tagaytay Ranch is the top 1 destination here in Tagaytay. Ayan, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ayan, pabugso-bugsong lakas. Kaya hindi ka naman dito makabelo eh. So pumunta na kami dito para tingnan at syempre magpa-picture na din. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito, ayan, may horseback riding. Ayan, ito yung magandang gawin. So kahit di ka marunong, they will guide you and they will let you do the horseback riding. And this is the eye-catching Ferris wheel. So, ito naman talaga yung gustong-gusto ng mga bata, matanda. Ayan, yung sumakay dito sa Ferris wheel. At pag nasa loob kayo, overlooking yung Taal Volcano. But so far, it's rainy day, so we can't see it. So, kaya dumiretso na kami dito sa Conchas Cafe kasi nilalamig na kami. Char. Ayan, so this is the Conchas Cafe and this is the end of my vlog. See you again on my next YouTube video. Thank you so much, guys, for following and being on my YouTube channel. Goodbye.